Hello again, it's Katie from the 2 Sparks of Madness, and this time we are in Addo Elephant National Park, which you can actually see here behind me. If you're very lucky, you might even see an elephant wander by in the background. The Addo Elephant National Park is just north of Port Elizabeth. It is over half the size of Dorset. It's 164,000 hectares of land and about 600 elephants, 400 Cape buffalo, 48 black rhino, which are endangered, and just 7 lions have their home here. And there's also zebra, tons of kudus and other antelope, and lots of other wildlife here. It's not possible to enter the park on the motorcycles for obvious reasons, but we joined a short game drive organized by the park here. And there's also a watering hole just at the main camp where we saw these elephants having a bit of a splash. We're obviously not equipped for a wildlife documentary on our motorcycle trip, so the footage we have of the park doesn't really do it justice. And we couldn't take pictures of everything that we saw through our binoculars. But I will leave you with just a few impressions of our very first safari here in Addo Elephant National Park in South Africa. I hope that you enjoy these pictures and see you next time.